Look what happens when I'm trying to reset my Twitch password because I want to go ahead and turn on the option to save the streams to store the past broadcast streams. Now this happens to every website that I use. I somehow never can get back in. And you would think, like, how can this keep happening? It's fucking amazing. Like, I can't reset my LinkedIn, for instance. I'm telling you that a evil AI controls the internet for sure. The amount of uh, you know problems and like schisms of websites and not properly loading and captures not loading. Like when I went into LinkedIn to try and reset my password on LinkedIn and go and update my LinkedIn, the captcha wouldn't even load. I can't even load the captcha on it. You know, the captcha where you input a little code or a few words or something to, show you're not a robot. That won't even load for me. Now I'm in Twitch and I'm just trying every email, and how come, I only have a few emails. How come none of my emails work? I must have signed up with one of them. You know what I mean? It's amazing. Let's just see what happens here. I know that that's my username because that's very obvious. It's very easy. And now I have to do this, like I'll have to waste time and verify. What is this? Pick the chicken. Oh my god. Look, won't let me in. Now this is the one that I thought I used because it's the same as the username, so it seems pretty obvious. Yes. Send it. Send the link. Have to verify. This is unbelievable. Look, won't work. That username and email don't match. There's no way that I could have used any other email. For instance, if I use this one, I wouldn't have used it because it's like 10 years old. And I can't get back into this email, so there's no way I used this. So this won't work either, but this Yahoo one is my working email. So this is amazing. I can't even reset my password. I can't even store the past broadcasts on my Twitch now, because this is what I'm trying to do. That's why I'm trying to get into Twitch on a browser instead of through the app here. So I can get in through the app. Oops. Here's me, right? See, there's clearly my username. But look, it's deleted all the content. I had 3 videos. Luckily it was just 3 videos that I did. But look, nothing. So clearly that's my username. I wonder if we can find out my email on here. Maybe it'll show my email. Hold on. Let's see. Browse. What's this? Yeah, it's ridiculous. Why can't I go to my channel even? My information. I can't even find my information. It's so weird. Oh, here we go. Account settings. Oh, apparently that's the email. It put UY on the end. That's not even what it is. My email is just benjamc3@yahoo.com. So for some reason, just because I'm using it from Uruguay, it's put UY on the end. So there you go, there's just like another little thing, like, I didn't put that on the end, it's just automatically put that on there, and if I didn't go back and check, I wouldn't even be able to update my password. It's just shit like this always happens. Let's see if this will even work. And then that doesn't even work. Oh, sorry, it's on live. Let's go to Yahoo and then .uy. So that's what it said it was. Man, I swear this happens with... Look, see, still won't work. That's literally what it just showed us that my email is. Let's go back and have a look. There it says it. And it says unverified. It's a joke. It's just an absolute joke, because I'm sure, well, let's try and verify it. I don't even think it will, because that shouldn't even be the email, because I shouldn't have a UI on the end. So there you go, nothing has shown up. So this is just how it always goes with every website. Don't forget, I've done an IT degree. You know what I mean? It's just so amazing. It always happens like this. Hold on. Let's see if we can let's see if I can actually change it here. Change the email. This is crazy. See, I don't use those other ones though. This is the only email I ever use for signing up with websites. Enter my password though. See, now I'm trapped because I can't, I don't know the password. Amazing. This is so fucking stupid. Off you go, I pressed enter. See, it's like it doesn't even matter what I do. I can try like all sorts of things. Wait, did that just work? Something went wrong. Now what? See how ridiculous this is? Like, frequently used, okay? What does that mean? You need to verify that you own this email. Alright, let's see if it's sent a verification. Nope. So this is basically what I face with like every friggin' website. Like I'm not even sure if I move country that I can get back into my YouTube. Because there's a problem, like sometimes I'm trying to change to my other account from, I think it was from the app or something, and I have to verify my password and it wouldn't let me. Even though I'm sure it's the password that I'm using, it just wouldn't let me. So I'm like using this like YouTube app or something, I think it was like the Studio app, and I'm just trying to switch account to that other channel that I have, the Organic Portals Hive Mind channel, and it's very interesting because the password should work and it just says nope, invalid or whatever, and it, like, what kind of error message is this? These people can't code for shit. One of the first things you learn when you're a good coder is, you have to make a meaningful error message so people understand what went wrong, not something went wrong, so I can't fix it, I don't know what's gone wrong. So it's just amazing. It's like, I get all these special exception circumstances like this shit. So yeah, just wanted to show that. This happens for so many websites that I've used in my life, and it's just fucking unreal. And I remember when I was back at university, I've had IT people trying to like help me with it. They couldn't do anything either. It's like a targeting when I'm online. It's fucking unreal. I swear that the internet is run by or has a connection to some sort of AI. And it's always doing this to me with websites.